Today I'm working on an older Kohler generator and I'm replacing the battery charger because it's not working. It wiped out the battery when I was here last time, so I gotta swap this thing out. I'm gonna take the wall off so this way it's easier to get inside and do this. You do it without, but always make your job easier, so. And there it goes. Get some more on the threads. Okay, it's out. Move this. Loosen this up. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Now I gotta go to the left. So much room in here. I do it by hand. Yep. Dumpster next to me is about to get dumped, so pull the battery wire off. There's no battery right now because it went dead. All the wires out. My battery charger cable is off already. Okay, now I gotta reconnect. Boom, boom, listen to that. All that friggin' noise. I'd say they're inconsiderate, but they're only doing their job, so. Don't you see what I'm doing here? All right. Bang, bang. Just a dumpster, literally, right there. So, all right, so that's back. Just gotta tighten it the rest of the way. Okay. Okay, that's free there. Let's push it in and try to find that inside. Okay, and I found it's coming over here all the way at the bottom. So I'm gonna cut it. It's just the ground. Not needed. Stop fighting with that. I should be able to pull it out. Okay. Out of my way. Pull that through. This is just dangling in the wind. Alright, now I gotta take this out. Just 4 screws. Two. And we are free. Move that to the side. Let's get the new one in. Something. Okay. Last time I did one of these, it was pouring rain. Let's get something to hold it. Oh, I remember. Screws don't fit. Alright, so let's get this thing installed. I can't reuse the screws because they're not long enough. So, fortunately, I have to make new holes. So I don't think I'm going to be able to send zippies. I'm not going to be able to get zippies in there. So right next to it, just going to put it right here. Nothing's there for it to damage, so okay, I'll tighten the first one, but one more. Good, nice and tight. This plug in, this right on the battery. So let's get the battery in here. There's a washer. Alright, so I'm going to connect these to the battery with the boot back. On that side. Bolt back on. Get the battery out. Keep that up. That should be tight enough. It's going nowhere. You can have a negative terminal. Same thing. You could do both sides, but or the middle. I like here because it doesn't break as you're tightening or somebody else is tightening in the future. And it still holds the square. Okay, there's that. Got a terminal protector. Alright, got all that done. Let's see if I'm going this way. Oh, I can bring it up. Actually, one thing I should have done. Okay, more like this. Down and over. Same way here.
Bring this up. Okay, good. Good. Alright, now let's plug the charger in. Boom. We're ready. Battery's charged. Good, it's charging. And let's plug the carb heater in. Alright. I'm gonna give it a minute. So battery's installed. Charger is green, so it's fully charged. Everything is ready to go. Let's make sure it works. Alright, it's a go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video of changing a battery charger on a Kohler generator.